Hi, I'm James Ray from SOLV. I'm the boiler installation supervisor here. I look after all the domestic boiler installations. Here at SOLV, we know that whenever you come up to replace a boiler, it can be quite a daunting task. So recently we have just added a new online quotation facility. This allows our customers to basically get a quick and easy estimate and lets them know roughly how much it would cost to install a new boiler in their property. They can access this by going onto our website and then going to the boiler installation tab. It's quick and easy to do, and I'm going to talk you through it today. So to get onto our online quotation portal, you can either click on the direct link below. Alternatively, you can go onto our website and select onto the efficient boiler installation icon. This will then take you to our boiler installation page. You would then scroll down and click on Get a Quote. Once you click on Get a Quote, this is going to take you directly to our online boiler installation quotation portal. This is going to ask a series of questions that basically allows us to give you a quotation to put a boiler into your property. The first question is, what type of home do you live in? For the purpose of the video, we're going to select semi-detached. Next question is, how many bedrooms do you have? For the purpose of the video, we're going to select 3. The next question is, how many bathrooms do you have? We're going to select 2. Meanwhile, in the background, this is basically letting us know what boiler would suit your property best and doing all the calculations that we do not have to do then here in the office. The next and most important question probably would be, do you have a hot water cylinder? You would know this by either you have a copper tank in your hot press, or alternatively you might have a white tank somewhere full of hot water. If you do not have either of these, the likelihood is that you have a combination boiler, so you would select no. We're going to do now. The next one would be then, where does the flue exit? The flue is part of the gas boiler, and this is what takes flue gases from the boiler to outside. 9 times out of 10 this is going out through the wall, and it also can go out through the roof. You'll know this by the turret being outside, either on the wall or on the roof. For the purpose of this video, we've selected wall. What type of fuel do you use? The most common fuel here in Northern Ireland is gas, and that's mostly what we've been installing at the minute, so we're going to select gas. This will then bring up all the different packages that would suit your property. You can scroll down through these and see what would suit you, all the different price points. Things to take note of would be the guarantees of each of the boilers, and these can range from 5 years to 12 years, just depending on what brand they are and what type of boiler they are themselves. We're going to select the Worcester Greenstar 4000 30 kilowatt boiler. This comes complete with a 10 years guarantee when installed with us, because we are Worcester accredited installers. So we're going to click continue on that. This will then ask us if we would like any optional extras, such as controls, filters. As you can see there, it says included, £0. This is because within that package we selected, we have already included to install a new EPH controller. And this is a programmable room thermostat, and will just make your system more efficient and really easy to use. So we're going to select add on that. Next, it's going to ask if you would like a new filter installed. We would recommend a filter installed with all of our installations, so we're going to select add the top filter, the Worcester Greenstar. Next then it's just going to say about your contact details. This allows myself to give you a ring and arrange to come out and see you. I'll then answer any questions you have and hopefully get the job scheduled in. So if you would like to do that, just go down to the link below and get your details in and I'll give you a call.